Hey guys, welcome back, or should I say Happy New Year and welcome back to, I'll be honest, it's a long overdue design jam. I had the best intentions to start January the 1st, smashing out these design jams as I was pretty consistent for the last couple of months in 2018, and I know got a few messages from you guys saying what's the story. I was getting messages on YouTube, on my design jam channel, Instagram, saying when am I bringing them back, that you loved them and you really enjoyed watching me design in real time. And this is real time, so you see all my mistakes and stuff like that. So before you want to comment about grids and alignment or color issues or this looking wrong, just remember I'm doing this in real time. So no, this isn't pre-recorded, so just give me a little break. So for anybody who's messaging me, I get a lot of messages on my Instagram account, UI UX, and this one about where do I learn UI UX design, and actually I teach a class, UI UX design masterclass. It's an online course taught by me. Currently have a current deal on $30 off, so $99 is the normal asking price, and now it's $69. So that's running for the next 24 hours. You can head over, click the link in my so if you head over to my UI UX or UI design, so in my profile bio, we'll jump into the design jam in a minute. I just want to show you guys, so you stop messaging me about where to learn UI UX design. Click this link here, and you'll be brought to that page. So here you can read all about the course and all the freebies you get, a little bit about me, etc, etc. And if you've got any questions, just DM me and I'll happily answer them. So for today, I was kind of skimming through Dribbble to see what would spark some inspiration, because I don't know about you guys, but like to design, if you approach a sketch file or Photoshop or Adobe or Figma or whatever, InVision or whatever software you use, and like you're looking at a blank artboard, it scares the hell out of me, and it's really hard to come up with some inspiration. So I usually check Behance, shout out Behance. I'll check Dribbble, and I'll just look at, I suppose, what's trending. So I've just kind of filtered popular shots by the past year. Let's go past a month, and I'll usually just kind of scroll through here. It seems to be the same kind of designers, illustrators. This kind of style is very popular. I see it everywhere. Yeah, so maybe I'm thinking today I might do like a 404 page. So 404, let's see what we have there. And I really like, I really like Dribbble's 404 page. So basically you can filter here by RGB colors or hexagon colors, and you get like designs that are matched. That's pretty cool. Head over there and have a look at that. So back to 404 pages. So let's have a little look through here and see what kind of bits of information that people put on a 404 page, and if there's anything that kind of jumps out at me, I'll use that for inspiration. This style is really popular at the moment, like that. Okay, page not found, 404. Okay, let's take this, right? So I'm gonna grab this, open up my sketch file here, and we're gonna do a desktop version. So let's just pull something that I've created previously. Okay. Website. There we go, eventually loaded. Alright. Okay, let's use this as a previous design, so let's use that. Here, okay. Actually, let's just use this one. This is easier. Okay. Oh my god. Righty. Let's go up here. Okay, let's grab this. Let's grab this guy here. Bring him in, so, like so. Okay. Let's just remove some information here. All I really want here is the artboard. Here, let's just go. Let's make this a little bit bigger. See what we're doing. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's close that down. Nope, that's not what I want. Let's just create a new board here. Let's move this down. Okay, so this is going to be our artboard of choice. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is let's just, for God's sake, right. Yes. So let's just back up. So okay, so I'm going to use this. I'll use this nav as well. So let's just grab some text here. Okay, hotel, tickets, restaurants. Fair lowercase. I'll stick with lowercase font wise. Let's go for Carla. Let's go bold. And let's increase the size there. Yeah, there we go. Increase the size here. Increase that, give it a little bit of spacing. And then we need a logo here, so site's going to be a hotel site. So let's head back over to free. It's not it. Icons 8. There we go. Flat icon. I knew it was something icon. Okay, let's quickly search for a hotel. Let that load. Okay, so let's just grab something pretty. Let's grab this. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Let's grab an SVG, free download. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, bring it over here. Scale that down to 50%. There we go, another 50. Okay, probably go another 6%. Okay, so next next we need, so page not found, dot, 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 dot. Let's jump up to 60. Page not found. Page not found. Let's jump down up to 80. Okay. And we'll just space on. Right, that's fine. Let's drop that down to next. We're unable to find the page you were looking for. Let's left align that. Let's say probably bring that down to 35. Go to 30. Okay, and let's make that regular. That's fine. Let's give it a bit more. Da, 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 da. Okay, button. La 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 la. Let's go in here. Let's grab this. Okay. Let's reduce the width, increase the height, remove the border, bring that down here. Copy this. Make it uppercase. Back to home. Oops. Yeah. And make that bold. Let's see. 20. Nope. Let's make that 24. Let's bring it up here. Kind of like that yellow from. So what we'll do is we'll make it grab some colors. Oh, that's not what I want. Grab yellow here. So not bad. And let's take the same yellow. Let's grab this yellow. Rather than make it black, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that yellow and then I'm going to bring it down. So keep it with that yellow. Make it just a dark yellow. It's just, yeah. Right. Okay. Now. Okay. So let's need an illustration now for this. Icon. I got a. Where are we? Desktop. Icons 8. So Icons 8 released a free suite of pretty nice, different kind of styles of free illustrations. So just to see if there's anything that matches or a style that I kind of want to incorporate. So let's start at the top here. I want something that I could use like this, like a PNG. Nice. Let's see how that looks now. Bazooka. Okay, alright. Back. Okay, what we can do is right. It's annoying because maybe if we reduce that opacity slightly. Okay, let's just see if there's any more. So let's see. That's kind of nice. Although that kind of works. That could work as well. So let me just see. Sure, here, listen. Page not found. They have it. And take that. Bring that in here. Now this is pretty. This is looking nice, if I do say so myself. All right, let's bring that to the front. Let's match the yellow here. This. Make this a little bit darker. Probably make that 70. Bring that over. Like so. Okay, let's just change that color as well. Ooh, bit of fuego, bit of fire. Okay, let's just make it a little bit lighter. Let's take a little bit of heat, take a little bit. Okay, let's export that. Let's call it 404. Oh, don't make it like 2 exits, so let's do it again. 404. Yes, replace. Wait for that to open. Desktop. And we'll go full screen on this thing. Right. Oh, wait a second. There's a pixel. That didn't look. I knew it looked something looked off on the border. Let's go. I have to make sure that I'm happy with it totally. Okay, so 4x4, 4x4, 404. No. Okay, replace. Yes, please. Okay. Let's double click. Yeah. Let's go view. Let's go full screen. And there you go. Let's oh. And that's it. A very simple 404 page. Just want to say it's good to be back. I'll try and do more of these design jams. I'll try get at least. I'll do my best to try get 3 done every week. So if you like it, make sure you send me a DM telling me, or send me some ideas to do for the next design jam as well. So like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, click subscribe and the notification bell.